Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. We have Ipsy for the month of July. This is Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It is a monthly makeup, skincare, anything related to self-care subscription monthly. It is about 28 bucks with new fees. So if you're interested, check out the link down below. I get referral points. And if not, just keep watching these videos. So, here's our bag. I don't know what those markings are. Whoops. Okay. It's a nice, it's more pale blue than what's showing up on the actual camera. But it is a yellow and green tie, which is not very matching in my opinion. The yellow is here too. Faintly says Ipsy. Okay, so let's see if it's worth it, because I am trying to get rid of some stuff here and use what I have. So the card for this month is Soak It All In for July. The sun, the shimmer, the SPF. I'm sure there's no prices. Right. So, friendly SPF tips. You should wear your sunscreen, guys. Okay, so this first thing here is Misho Beauty. And this looks like a liner. And, oh, made in Germany. Okay. So, very nice packaging. Yeah. So it looks like two liners. And I wonder if there's colors here. Let me try to open this. You know, I don't like to break the seals, but this one doesn't have one, so let's see what the colors are. So they feel like very pencil-y. So this says a lip liner in Madame or Madam. And this says in Iyama. Okay, what are the colors? So this one is Madam. That looks like brown. Can you guys see? It is brown. It's not lining up, but it's brown. And I'm going to assume, oh, this is like a nude. Gotta remember that they're lip liners, so I have a few. Don't need to add any more. Don't remember what my choices are, because I think I missed. Not that I skipped. This is Wing Me and Ambitious Violet eyeshadow palette. Oh, okay, so we get an eyeshadow palette. Now there's supposed to be 5 full-size products, and you get to pick 3 out of the 5, which is why I like Ipsy versus BoxyCharm. Okay, so we have palette in here. Oh, I like this. Giving me artsy vibes here. Okay. Ooh, yeah, with a mirror. Okay, so if I can, yeah. I love this whole section right here, because look at this purple. Oh my goodness. And look at these colors. I'm telling you, they are super, super pretty. Should I keep it or not? I've never heard of this brand. But we got a palette, which makes me happy. What else did we get? Murad. Acne Control Oil and Pore Control Mattifying SPF. Well, this is great for oily skin. I have combination, mostly dry. Okay, but this is cool. And Murad is a great brand. I think it is going to work out though. This is 1.7 fluid ounces. Very nice. And make sure you wear your sunscreen. This is Item Beauty. Love this packaging. Boost Juice. So it says Pull Me. Okay. Volumizing. Is this? Oh, it says Dual End Lash Primer. Lengthening here. Volumizing here. So I just want to know if it's mascara or not. But I think it's just a lash primer. So I'm going to hold off, not open it. And then, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And our last item, ooh, nicely packaged. Volition Screen Time Hydra Mist with rose hip oil and Avec green tea. It is 1.7 fluid ounces, same as that. So this is very nice. I like that they put it in this packaging because you can see there's like some condensation here. And the lid was not on, so it probably did spill, which would make for a bad time. Now, if you missed my June BoxyCharm, I still haven't gotten the replacements for those 2 broken pallets. And it is quite a tragedy, so I'm gonna have to follow up. Let me know if you like this video. Give it a good thumbs up. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And let me know which one was your favorite item. I'm still thinking about this one. Sunscreen is a must. If this was mascara, I would totally open it right now. This looks good. I like it. I like it for this bag. I do. Let me know your thoughts though. And as always, guys, stay safe.